and welcome. So today I'm coming on to unbox a new kit from Leslie's Crafts and Gifts. She's kindly asked me to come on and be a guest designer for this kit. So each week I'm going to be coming on with a new project to share using this kit, and it's so exciting and the theme is amazing. And if you're all wondering, because I'm me, it's not Halloween. It is Christmas. Why not? If you're not into Halloween and you want to get started on Christmas, this is perfect opportunity. And not only is it Christmas, it's Mickey Mouse Disney Christmas. I think, oh my god, it's so cute. So let me just stop yapping and just get this box undone. So it comes in this lovely box and it is postable as well, which is brilliant, you know, if you're not in. It's amazing. So you've got this gorgeous red tissue paper, which of course can always be used. I'm just going to turn the box around now so that I can lay it out. And as you can see, you get so much as usual. So the first thing we've got here is this amazing washi tape. Now, we all know Mickey is part of the movie scene, and this washi tape is definitely amazing. I mean, you could use that for so many things. You could use it, you know, cut it up, you can add sentiments to it. Oh, the possibilities are endless. Borders, I think it's so cool. So you get a whole roll of that gorgeous washi. Then you get a whole bag of word sentiments. Now I have gone through and I'll take photographs so you can see absolutely everything on there, but there's some great sentiments in here. So we've got like ones like joy, the 25th, Christmas, winter, holidays, as you can see, and they all come with this lovely white border around it as well. Lovely. And you also get a couple of Mickey heads ephemera in there also. I love this joy. Look at that Mickey joy. So cute, right? So you get loads of these. Honestly, it was just never ending. And there's also in there, which I thought was really good because you don't have this, but it's got like baby's first Christmas and stuff. So if you are like into scrapbooking and you want to make memories of the year, if you know someone's had a baby, I think that's brilliant because you don't often get much of that. So snowing, just loads, and get some snowflakes as well. Like I said, pictures at the end will show you absolutely everything in there. And then, oh my gosh, this ephemera is absolutely gorgeous. Again, I will take a picture of absolutely everything in here so you can see, but just look at Mickey. Oh my gosh, he's so cute, right? Oh my god, I am loving Mickey Mouse at Christmas right now. I'm actually excited for Christmas. It's not even been Halloween yet. I feel like I'm a traitor now. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, look at this one in the bauble. Oh my gosh, I love it. I absolutely love it. And the ideas are just popping through my brain. So I hope you come and see the projects that I'm going to make with this kit. Now in this packet here, Leslie has now decided that she's going to be changing these papers. So I'll just let you know about that as well. So these are the actual papers, the images, but Leslie has decided that she wants to create the images smaller, just so you can get more wear out of the papers. So I actually got sent the old pack. You'll obviously get the new ones, and once I receive those, I will give you another flip through, but literally the papers will be exactly the same. So I may as well just show you these anyway. So you get this gorgeous one of Mickey and Minnie hugging the snowman. I think it's so cute. You've got this gorgeous blue and white one with the Mickey heads and the snowflakes. Oh my gosh, it just it's so cute, right? You've got this lovely candy cane in the green and white, which is brilliant for like backgrounds. This one is so adorable with the Mickey gingerbreads. So you've got like Mickey and then you've got Minnie. Oh, they look adorable on the white and red checkerboard. Then you get this green one with the white polka dots, and it's actually on really, really smooth and thick paper as well, so really good for like album making, things like that. Very sturdy. This one, look at that, Merry Christmas. You've got the Mickey ears, and then you've got Santa hat and the bow. This one is I think is it plaid gingham? No, I'm not 100%. I think it's plaid style. I always get plaid tartan checker, I don't know. So it's red and white, and it just reminds me of, you know, a nice cozy jumper. This one again has got some more of the Mickey cookies, this time with snowflakes and Merry Christmas, and I love this. The Mickey hands making a heart. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And if you didn't want to use them as papers, you know, they still be fussy cuttable. This one's beautiful with the black Mickey heads on the white with the holly, the snowflakes, the baubles, Merry Christmas. And then here on the green, you also get the Mickey heads, again with the Christmas hat and the bow, so it matches the other paper. Cute. And then this one, again with the checkerboard, but this time we've got like Christmas elements in white, so we've got bell, candy cane, snowflakes. And then here we've got Mickey and Minnie all cozy together with the snowflakes. And here on the blue background, again matching that other paper, we've got the Minnie and Mickey ice skating. They just look so adorable. I've totally missed out on Disney in September, so I'm so happy I get to do it for Christmas. And then the red and white striped candy cane. Super beautiful. So like I said, those are the papers that you get. I think you get 12 or 13. I lost count. But yeah, they're the papers that you will receive. Like I said though, they will be like the icons will be made a little bit smaller, so you just get more on a page. But I will do another flip through once I do receive mine. Like I said, I got the old bundle. Then also in here we've got these amazing enamel dots. Now Leslie actually makes these, so they are 100% handmade, and I love them. So she's actually created some red glitter ones, then she's got some glossy white, glossy yellow, glossy black, and then this gorgeous glossy blue. It's absolutely amazing, and they're all in different sizes, and they just really add to that homemade look as well. She's just genius, honestly. And then we get stamps as well. I'm going to take this out of the packet so that you can actually see them. Super excited about these stamps. I'm just going to use one of the pages here. So here are the stamps. So we've got some really nice sentiments. And the thing I like about this as well, because even though this is a Disney Christmas kit, this stamp is not specific to Christmas, so that you can use this anytime you want to do a Disney project, you know, or whatever project really. These stamps are not specific just to Christmas, which I think was brilliant. So we've got autographs, Go See Ride, Yay, Happy Place, Magic, and then you've got this one in the speech box saying say cheese, you know, because I take your photo, and also cheese for mouse. You've got this half a Mickey head here, the teacups, the castle, big smiles, the Ferris wheel, and then you've got lots of these cute little elements with the fireworks, the stars, hearts, and flowers as well. So really lovely stamp set there as well. And then you'll also receive a die with this as well, so that's really awesome. And this is the die, so it creates a Mickey head peppermint, and then it also comes with a bow as well. And I love that it's a little small one. You could use this, you know, to add to tabs, or, you know, for a decorative element onto rosettes and things like that. And even the bow itself is small enough that you could even put, like, make lots of them and use them as decoration as well. So it's really nice and cute little die that is. You also get some red satin ribbon as well, and I've completely forgotten how long it is, but you can just see how it just unravels. There's so much of it. Perfect album making, tag making, whatever you want, bow making. And I love the red colour, it really goes with Mickey. And then also in here we get a selection of cardstock as well. Bit of rustling. So here we have some absolutely gorgeous, you see that in the light, this glitter is, oh, it's absolutely gorgeous, and it's non-shed as well, so you get all the loveliness of glitter paper and no shedding. I love it. I just stare at it all the time. Kind of, it's got that snow look. You know, some like, it's got like colours in it, like holographic, that's what I'm trying to think, look to it. So it's not just white, if that makes sense. Oh, I think it's so beautiful. And then we have some actual cardstock, and this is, oh, is it, oh, I won't say. In case I get it wrong. I get papers wrong all the time, but it is thick cardstock, but not too thick, but sturdy enough for making things, cards, things like that, anything you want to stand. Brilliant cardstock, and I do believe she gets it from the paper mill. I'm not sure about that, maybe. Scratch that one. Anyway, you get a gorgeous, gorgeous green. You of course get yellow, red, I love this red. You get a black, lovely. And then you also get 5 sheets of pure white card. Again, really nice, thick, sturdy. So if you are a card maker, you just want to make cards, it's perfect for that. Like ATC, it's a really good, thick cardstock. I love using this cardstock. So you get 5 of them. So that's amazing. So you also get all that. Let's try and put it all back in the box. Now, if you want to get your hands on this kit, you can go to Leslie's Facebook group, and on that group is the link, the selling page. I got that right. No, the store page. Facebook's changing, and if you go on there, so I will link it in the description box, so it makes it completely easy for you, so that you can just go and collect that. And also, if you do sign up to Leslie's group, she does like first peeks, so you get to see everything first time round. And also you can also get your hands on some add-ons. So she's kindly sent me some of these. You get 20 of these, and they are mixed, but they are absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to lay them out here for you to see. And they are these amazing little Mickey Gemmy heads, and they are so super and sparkly. So they are a mixed bag as well, and she's selling them at $1.99 for a pack, which I think is brilliant. I mean, I love embellishing with these sorts of gemmies, flat back gemmies. Super, super lovely. So the kit itself is £30 and plus P&P. But Leslie does do deals on her Facebook page for free postage and things. So like I say, it's definitely worth to check it out. I'm so happy to be crafting Christmas. I didn't think them words would come out of my mouth. Not before Halloween anyway. But yeah, I absolutely I'm besotted with this kit, and I can't wait to make things. So hopefully you will join me in the next couple of weeks to see what I do make with this kit. And like I say, I'm going to pop up some pictures at the end just so that you can see absolutely everything that are in this ephemera pack. If I was to lay it out now, this video will be way too long, and I know that you're all so busy. So thanks for watching. Take care. I'll see you soon.